Ever heard the story of a farmer who has golden hen which laid a golden egg every day? A farmer got greedy and cut the hen to get all the eggs at once. The hen died and farmer found no eggs inside it. Instead of taking good care of hen, farmer killed it and left with no eggs and no hen. Similarly, while investing, many of us cut a golden hen instead of taking good care of it and making it healthier. Your investments are your golden hens, while the passive income generated by them like rent, interest, capital gain, dividend are like golden eggs. Focus on making your golden hen stronger so that it can generate regular passive income for you. To live the stress-free and worry-free life during your retirement, build your golden hen while you are earning through SIP in Equity Mutual Fund. Post-retirement, you can switch your money from equity fund to conservative fund and opt for systematic withdrawal plan to generate regular monthly income like cash flow. To build your golden hen portfolio to become financially free, call us now.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.